I'm going on a picnic today with my 91-year-old friend, and I just wanted to share the kinds of things that I made. So for anybody of any age, these nutrients are of course important, but I'm going to explain why. So I made this beet salad to start, and so that has feta protein. It has walnuts, which is good for cognitive function, helps your brain, very grounding with the root vegetable, and some balsamic, some salt and pepper. And so I also made this Greek salad. So there's fresh oregano from my garden. There is cucumbers, tomatoes, feta, again, onions, red onions, chickpeas, extra protein. So you've got your nutrients, crunchy, lots of digestive enzymes in there to help digest your food, lots of fiber, natural fiber. And a lot of people think that you have to have grains to have fiber, but that is actually more irritating for the system. And I don't recommend a lot of grains. I recommend eating a little less grains because of the whole sugar thing. Okay. Thirdly, I have made this coleslaw. So this gives, again, digestive enzymes. People can't get nutrients from their food if they're not digesting it properly. So these digestive enzymes will help. And so it's also a probiotic because it's got the cabbage and the carrots and the green onions and the green peppers. Probiotic, good for gut health. So I also have, I'm bringing some muffins that I forgot to bring out here for the video, but they are oatmeal chocolate chip, and use organic whole spelt flour, just a little bit of that. And it's sweetened with maple syrup because with anybody at any age, I like to avoid sugar because sugar is the culprit for many diseases, many problems, mood, memory, all of that stuff. So she likes sweet stuff, so I'm giving her these muffins made with the sweetness of maple syrup instead of sugar. And I'm probably going to also add, for even more protein and different textures and stuff, like cheeses and some salty almonds. And what else do I want to add into that? And some fruit. So that is what my picnic is going to look like with my 91-year-old friend. But you can